Parts of the East Coast are getting hit with the heaviest snow they've seen in years.
Yeah, that's having an impact even here in central Indiana. Want to head out live to the airport if you have to head out, maybe
Yeah.
pick up some family members. Matt's out there keeping an eye on that storm's impact. Good morning.
Good morning, Ben. Good morning, Julia. Welcome back. You made it here just in time for this massive winter storm that's expected to barrel across the southern part of this country all the way up to the northeastern part as well. And here in Indiana, we are seeing an impact of that right here at the airport. In fact, from the ticket line all the way down here from American, you can see a line that is formed here at 4:30 this morning. Folks who are trying to make it to another destination, perhaps. Also, ticket counters here lined up from United. Check out the boards right here this morning. You see a lot of the red right here, a lot of those canceled flights. That is an indicator only of things to come. Another big line that's forming out here this morning is also at the southwest counter. You can see we're inside the airport, but still a little chilly this morning here right inside the door, so a lot of people in jackets lining up here. We're going to take a look at video which shows the scene yesterday. Just a lot of cancellations there as well. However, we did find many people who came to the airport waiting and hoping for the best. Their loved one would make it home in time before this monster storm barrels down.
We were relieved when she got the flight arranged yesterday. She was paying attention to the weather and realized what was going to happen.
And some good news there, a lot of hugs and a lot of happy reunions for folks who are making it home. However, that's just not going to be the case for everyone because we know there are thousands of flights that have been canceled all across the country today. The best idea if you have a flight today or if you're picking someone up, for example, is to check the flight status before you head out because the red color you see right behind me here on the departures and arrivals boards here at the Indianapolis International Airport is only expected to grow here as the storm approaches. Ben, Julia.
Delays, cancellations, even if Indy's okay, you're right, Matt, it's where you have to go. That's the key. We'll check back with you a little bit later. Thank you very much.